Hello, this is Ryan Conley, the Bitcoin residual miner, and today is Monday. I am about ready to hit up CrossFit for my 5th day and also my 5th day on Pruvit. And what I want to talk to today is about the neural properties of Pruvit and what people are noticing, and specifically what I am noticing off this stuff, because I am definitely a fan of nootropics, which means smart drugs or smart nutrients for the brain. I've studied this for a long time. I've also worked with the Amen Clinic because I openly admit that I've suffered from depression for a long period of my time. Even though I've been very successful in life, it's been something that I've battled for a long time. So I'm always looking for really good nutrients. And I'm doing this video because I want to help. There's a lot of people out there that have issues with dementia, Alzheimer's, you got depression, you got the attention deficits, even schizophrenia, or just all these things out there that really hurts the population of the world. It's a complete burden for families and everything out there like that. So why are so many people suffering from these mental disorders and stuff, and how come they can't live like really productive lives? Now, I've just come to the realization that ketosis, when I started studying people that were in ketosis, specifically on also, actually the keto diet and also being on our keto product, is that I was noticing a very clear presence about them, and a happiness about them, an energy level about them. How I'm feeling right now, actually, is how I'm describing. But anyways, so I could tell something was going on really with their mental. So I am proposing to the Amen Clinic out there in Bellevue. They've actually got, I think, 5 clinics across the United States. They've actually done more brain scans than any clinic out there, guys. And so they scan people's brains. They have the information, say, okay, because this part of the brain isn't working, this part isn't. Well, this person has depression, or this person has PTSD. And then what I like about them is they tailor the scans to working with natural treatments and some medication in cases as well. Lots of amino acids, good diets, fish oils, that kind of thing. But I do not think the Amen Clinic has ever considered what the role of ketosis could potentially play in brain repair, in regeneration, and also neuroprotection properties. So I would like to hear from Dr. Daniel Amen, who I've actually had a chance to meet in person. I have one of his signed books also. I went to one of his book signing. I love what he is doing, because he gives people a solid answer by looking at what's going on inside, so they understand themselves better, so they can actually pursue treatment. So David Amen, I'm asking you to take a look really into the ketosis diet, and honestly, specifically keto by Pruvit, because this is done with NASA's studies, and also the U.S. Navy SEALs are tied in on this, these patent stuff going on here. So, I'd like to see before and after scans, and I question if they have before and after scans at this clinic right now. Daniel Amen, if you have before and after scans of being in ketosis in the brain, before and after on ketosis, and then also, I would like to see immediate scan results regarding this product, even after a week treatment on this stuff, before and after picture for patients that have alcoholism, addiction, depression, and all these issues that you guys could go ahead and add to your series of the thousands of scans that you have out there for people. So you guys, I'm going to be going to the Amen Clinic and having him take a look at this and do my best one way or another. If you could pass this on to Dr. Amen, I really appreciate it. I think it definitely needs to be taken a look at. I'm also predicting that there's going to be a lot of peer-reviewed medical studies about ketosis and this product specifically with brain also. And what I'm seeing this also, guys, is my ability, the blood going through this. I usually am short on breath when I'm running, especially I would typically if I was because I'm doing CrossFit right now. But when I'm in the gym running on this stuff, my nitrix levels have got to be so high off this stuff, and my heart can actually take this. It doesn't feel worn down, so I feel like the ketosis actually has a way of protecting our bodies in some weird energy way. And again, that energy is going to our brains. So just some mental notes I'm having about this, guys. If you know anyone that suffers from depression or attention deficit or anything like that, just like myself, I would highly recommend this product and documenting what they do. And I would even say with children, I've got my daughters, I've got a 7-year-old and a 3-year-old who are actually taking some of this product a little bit, and I can see their faces like light up, and they get like addicted, feel like look on this, like they want more of it because they can feel that it's having a positive role in their bodies and stuff. So I'd love to see little kids on this stuff and what it does for their school performance. As far as like a child nootropic, as beautiful as that sounds. So you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel below, and let's get this word out there to people that want to prove it and make and just live life to the fullest. So you guys, I'm really branding myself. Just a heads up to all my YouTube subscribers and stuff, followers. I'm branding myself as a lifestyle of ketosis, with Pruvit, and also CrossFit and Bitcoin. That is what I'm branding myself as right now, guys. And you'll be able to see me. I'm actually going on the road in my new mobile home that I'm actually purchasing here. So showing this lifestyle and documenting on my YouTube channel. Anyway, guys, get the word out there about Keto OS by Pruvit, and contact me for a 4-day sample. It is $20, and I can get that in the mail for you guys right away. All right, guys, take care. Wish you a blessed one. Much love.